1, 2, 3, testing. What is up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about welding lenses. I've got two here that I've used. One that I've used a lot, the singles, or Arc 1. I think Arc 1 is the actual brand. Every time I try to search it, you find Arc 1 before you find singles. But anyway, this is the one I've used the most, mostly because it's auto darkening. I used the fixed lens before I started pipe welding. Since I've been pipe welding, I use an auto darkening because it's better for welding pipe because they're strict about arcing outside the bevels. You don't want to arc outside the bevels, so you have an auto darkening lens. It's more safe and accurate this way. Also, for like fabrication, an auto darkening lens is good for, you can have your hood down, your pancake down, and look at levels and tack stuff while your hood's down. And a pancake you can't flip, so that's why auto darkening is good. Or for back welding, auto darkening is really handy. So auto darkening lenses come in real handy for this line of work. But I am not opposed to a fixed lens at all. That's actually another one I've got here. It's a fixed lens. But more about this singles. I keep calling it singles. This Arc 1 lens. It's solar powered. It's got a sensor here and a sensor here. So you don't need batteries charged by the sun or charged by you welding, I guess. It's got an orange. The only tint that I've found is orange. Your puddle's orange, and I'm used to it, but I definitely like different color if I could find it, which is what I found in this other lens. But anyway, this lens here has got an orange. Your puddle's orange, and that's fine. This is a shade 9. I use a shade 9 because I used a 10 for quite a while, but I got to where I'm using a shade 9 just because I could see better. I could see my, when you go to cap, you could see your edge of your bevel a lot better and everything. So you can see more than just the puddle. So shade 9 in this auto darkening lens is pretty fair, but it definitely depends on if you're welding outside, inside, wire welding, stick welding. Wire welding is going to be like uphill wire, flux core or spray arc or anything that's going to be a lot brighter, so you're probably going to want more than a shade 9. This other lens that I just tried this week is a fixed lens. It's a Winz Lens. They've got two main lenses that I could come up with. I got on their website and was reading up about it. I think they've actually got like 3 different lenses, but the other one isn't. It's not the same kind of quality as these 2 lenses that I could find. They have several people that that distribute their lenses or whatever, and PL Welder is one that I found. I've always liked using PL Welder because their website's real user friendly. But so when I got on PL Welder, I found the main 2 that Wens offers, and it is Ultra Electric Ice, and that's this one here. And then they also have Ultra Cool Blue. They got shades in both lenses. They got shades 8 through 13. This is the Ultra Electric Ice, and it's a shade 8, and it's blue. It's like a clear blue color, and you can see if it's sunny outside. You can see what's going on around you. Like if you're in the shade a little bit, if you quit welding, you can't really see. But if it's sunny outside, it's definitely a good lens. You can see a lot, and it's clear. I love the clear blue puddle. I mean, you can just see so much more through this lens. I've ordered the Ultra Cool Blue, it is on its way. Whenever I use it more, I'll do a review later on once I've used them both and let you guys know which one, you know, what the differences are, I guess. But like I said, it definitely just depends on what your... Oh, a little bit more about this Winz lens. There's a little bit I was reading up about it. Is it's got, I don't know if you can see, it's got two different layers, but this outer layer, this reflective glass out here, is it's supposed to have like a non-scratch thing on it, you know, so it doesn't scratch as easy. And apparently there's this old lens, I don't know if it was called Cool Blue, or I forget what it was called, but it was this old lens, that fixed lens that was real popular. It had some I want to say it's like cobalt or something in it that was real bad for you. I don't know, it just wasn't, it was made out of something that wasn't good, just like a lot of things back in the day. So they quit making them, but they were really, really good lenses, and that's what everybody used back in the day. And like that one partner I have, he actually used one, and he said he was in his truck where it was warm. So then whenever we got out in the cold, it was cold outside, he got out in the cold, his lens shattered. So I think that was maybe the issue some of them older lenses had, is they shattered. And this one here is not supposed to do that. It's supposed to take the heat, it's supposed to take heat and not shatter. It's not supposed to get too hot. And I think they have a 1-year warranty, if I remember right. So pretty good lens. Both of these lenses you can find for around $100. Just depends on what shade, I think. I can't remember. I know it goes down to a shade 8 in this Arc 1. I want to say up to a 11 or 12 shade, but I can't remember. But anyway, you can find it for around $100. Same with the fixed lens. I think it's $95 on PO Welder. So, what else? I think that's it. Hope that helps you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys know of, that's a question I was going to ask. If you guys know of a singles lens that comes in a different color other than like orange, like when you're welding, what color your puddle is, because I would be curious to know if there was any other auto darkening lens that was not orange, more of like a clear blue or something. So anyway, I definitely really love this Winz lens. I'm absolutely love welding with it, but I am looking forward to seeing the Ultra Cool Blue. I think it's supposed to be a little bit darker blue. This one's a little bit lighter, I think, from what I've gathered. But anyway, that is going to be it for this video. I hope it has helped you guys come up with a couple of different lenses to try. And let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions. We will see you guys next Friday. I try to post a video every Friday at 5 o'clock Central Time. Come back and see me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.